Kaganeko, one none. Hey, Nakache, Kene, 2IC. SEO. Kadakio to Zakio, Kadakas Berry, Kajaba, Kadakis Zakio. We went to the river side.
Yes, sir.
We arrested that they were the one using canoe, transporting people to and fro with also petroleum products, including food items.
Yes.
And they were aiding and abetting banditry. And they are claiming that it is not in Zamfara, it is in Sokoto, but crime is a crime, whether it's in the United States or America. So for you to know that, you should make a very discreet investigation to make sure that you do justice to them and to our community. And you should tell area commander to get across to the DPO. DPO is to build a synergy, how they can work together to aid to make sure that there is serious enforcement and compliance on these proactive measures the Zamfara State governor and the governor enforce. There must be a compliance and enforcement. You understand? Because the issue of security is everybody's business. So please make sure that you investigate there. I'm going to report this matter to CP.
We'll do that,
Don't ever play with it.
We'll do that, Your Excellency.
Also, this why is that trailer?
Is there?
That trailer also should be thoroughly investigated.
We'll do that, Your Excellency.
Because there's a report that Turji always buy in weekly. He bought one trailer of drinks, and I don't know where this drink is heading to. And you should make sure that you investigate it.
We'll do that, Your Excellency.
So thank you very much. And on that Colonel Badarawa, there should be total enforcement also.
We are just from there.
Okay, I wish you safe duty.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.